Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to import and export contact into your phone or just into your SIM card on other way. To do this, just go to your phone here, go to contacts, click on the three dots on the right upper corner here, and we're gonna choose import export contact, and you have many of options here. So you can import from the storage if you wish. You can import from SIM card 1 or 2, because I have placed the 2 SIM cards here. And of course, on the other way, you can export to the storage your contacts. You can export to the SIM 1 or SIM 2 here. Of course, you can share contact with other people. For now, we're gonna import our contact from the SIM card 1. Just connect with this and this number and import to the phone. Contacts imported is copy, and as you see, we have here import all contacts here to the phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe.